inside? So what do you think's inside? Jelly beans!
Oh, whoops. Are there more?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
plenty more.
plenty more.
We're just on the first
Look
egg.
at that.
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans. Hidden in the garden. And magic eggs. Yeah, this one was right here.
Oh.
It was right
And
there.
Let's
Yeah,
see,
you found
where's another
the first egg.
Where would another one be, Perla?
You wanna? Oh, I should get the bag so we can collect them all up.
Jelly
I'll just
beans.
handle them for now. Yeah. Okay. You wanna look for another egg? See if we can find another egg. Let's see. Look in the bushes. Looking around. Is there another egg somewhere?
Perla.
There might be.
Perla, what's that?
What do you think? They're hidden.
What's that?
Do you see any eggs?
The yellow egg.
What's
A
this?
yellow egg. You see one? Can you get it? There it is. Let's see what's in this
How
one.
dirty.
It's a little
We
bit.
wash it. We can wipe it off, though.
You want to see what's in this one? Let's see. Oh, M&Ms. Those are chocolate candies. Pretty colors.
Do you wanna
Pretty
try
Easter
one?
colors. You want one of those?
Mom wants one.
You start
Yum.
chewing on a
Yummy, yummy,
yummy,
yummy.
yummy.
Oh, those are good.
Different candies. You want some of those candies?
So good.
What's
They're all in
that?
here.
Meow, meow.
Nummy, nummy. You want to try one? You want to eat one?
Oh no. I can't.
No?
No, something. Sit down.
Stay down? Okay, here. You want them right there?
Yum, yum.
Yeah.
Easter egg hunt. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
So there's more. You want to go find more eggs?
Let's go.